So you warming up for the lawnmower race?
Yes, I am.
Are you pumped up?
Pumped.
You gonna win?
No.
The Snappa 5000, it will be win always. You'll be in tractor race.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose.
Are you going to win?
Lose.
You're going to win. We know you're going to be in.
What's that?
What is that, a B112?
I'd have to look at that.
Are you entering the lawnmower race?
Yeah.
Are you gonna win?
Yeah.
Okay, with your deer. Well, thank you. Okay. Go! We'll be back after this short intermission from our sponsor from I don't know, which sponsor do we have?
3M.
Johnson & Johnson, 3M, and Band-Aids. Band-Aids.
This is so romantic.
Well, it's about to get a little bit more romantic. A little candlelight and a little Bud Light. Do you smell barbecue? Oh!
Fresh, smooth, real Bud Light.
Cool, a rocket sled.
It's all here.
We're still waiting on lap 1. Gary is smoking the competition this year, and so is he smoking. Hey! I think you're gonna win, Gary. Hey! Here's second place, third and fourth. What was your secret, Gary?
Taking the mower deck off.
That's right. Did you soup it up?
It's off.
You did. No, it's not off. It's on.
Does that qualify or that disqualify me now?
You qualified. Nothing runs like a deer, right?
Nothing runs like a deer.
I'll